Hello everyone, this is Girish Baliga from Keysight Technologies. We are at the premier wireless and communications camp in India, which is called the India Mobile Congress or IMC. So Keysight Technologies is demonstrating around 20 different cutting edge demos in the 6G and wireless segments. We are showcasing the capabilities of Wi-Fi 7 test and analysis. We would talk about capabilities like QoS with AI Insight, MLO, as well as scalability and fixed wireless access. We are going to talk about reconfigurable intelligent surface. So here, this particular demo with the showcase on real-time beam steering with the enhanced non-line of sight signal propagation and a optimized reflection coverage. In this particular demo, we have tied up with a customer as well, as you can see with their test setup for RIS, which are also going to talk about device security defense. As all of us know, these days, not just in wireless, but any kind of electronic mechanism can be hacked by intruders. So in the wireless space, we do have demonstration through an acquisition we had some time back called Risk Cure. And with this, we are showcasing demos on the device security defense, where we want the users to get protected against hacker and certify connected devices by running automated security tests. This is predominantly focusing on network test and visibility. So as you can see, we are showcasing solutions from our NAS business, where in this particular demo you will see capabilities on the network test and visibility side, talking about hyperscale security testing, and then capabilities on application and threat intelligence, as well as running on technology applications like multi-rate, Ethernet, and TSN. Will happen in the 6G space. There's a lot of buzz which is happening on the 6G space as we kind of graduate into beyond 5G or B5G and then get into 6G and FR3 or the 6G capabilities. And in this particular demo, you can see that using horn antenna, we are also showcasing the capabilities on how very high speed data rates can be transmitted between the TX and RX. So this particular demo, what we are talking is going to showcase on the RFFE or the radio frequency front end, focusing on millimeter wave beamforming, device analysis, and 6G FR3 compliance. So in this particular demo, where again, as you can see, this entire set of 5 demos, what you see here, are focusing on specifically on 6G technology. So here in this particular demo for ISAC, which is integrating sensing and communication, so we do use capabilities with our award-winning radio channel emulator, which is called the PropSim, and by showcasing PropSim running its capabilities with AI-based object classification accuracy and then analyzing for spectrum efficiency. And what this would predominantly do is run real-time emulation. And with like in 5G and 5G advanced, with 6G as well, you will see PropSim is going to play a very, very big role. And with the AI capability is going to be built in with the 6G, this particular set of solutions will have a lot to play. There's also a demo which we are also focusing on quantum computing. Quantum, whether it is quantum communications, quantum sensing, and also on the security aspects as well. And there's a new aspect which is gaining steam on quantum optics. So we are pretty much there in this particular space, showcasing various capabilities, including FPGA-based architecture validation and intuitive visualization and so on. So all said and done, though we may graduate into 6G and so on, but there's a lot of legacy technologies which we'll have to support upon. So one of the big ticket capabilities that we'll have to kind of validate and take it to the next level would be on the 5G interference mitigation. In this particular demo, we are showcasing real-time monitoring as well as uplink interference cancellation, co-channel interference analysis. through what is called as the NTN or non-terrestrial networks. Non-terrestrial networks has been gathering steam worldwide, and also this is the case in India as well, and especially with the Starlink playing a very big role, and licenses being opened in India as well for running Starlink and associated type of applications. So this is going to kind of break ground and would become commonplace as we where they would showcase, as you can see from this particular video, capabilities like link budget sensitivity analysis, beam handover performance testing, as well as satellite channel impairment modeling. So snapshot of what all we have been doing. Like I said, at Keysight, one of them is called as the RF environment emulation, or specifically called RACEM. So we are showcasing capabilities like dynamic 3D ray tracing, AI-driven channel modeling, as well as the sub-terahertz path analysis. And digital twins are playing a very big role in the wireless space as well. So whether we are talking about net digital twins or whatnot, right? So they are going to play a very big role, and communications technology is no difference. So in this particular demo, we are showcasing capabilities like hardware in the loop, or HIL, integrating that with the real life hardware and systems, and how digital twins are going to shape up. In summary, like I mentioned, we have capabilities of through Keysight Technologies in the 6G and wireless space, as well as both on cellular and non-cellular, both on say cellular technologies as well as non-signaling technologies, which are taking the world by storm, including Wi-Fi 7 as we spawn into Wi-Fi 8 and so on and so forth.